This is a very old photograph taken at the top end of Tredegar Town. With so many people working in the coal mines and ironworks, big companies such as Masters & Co had Cardiff shops in Tredegar. At the time, the streets were lit with gas lamps, and this part of the town had a very big lamp, which you can see in the middle of the picture, surrounded by an iron fence. You can also see that electricity is starting to enter the town, as one of the first electricity poles can be seen outside the large building on the right of the picture, which belongs to a co-op. Today the large gas lamp has gone to make way for vehicles, and the co-op building has been demolished to make way for a new road on the right.